Hey everybody, I am on learning packet number 2, day number 5, and we are talking about area today. And this is a review, so I want to remind you that area is the number of square units inside a figure. To find the area, count the number of squares it takes to cover the figure. They give you an example here, and the shape that they want you to find the area is the shape or the area inside the dark black lined rectangle. It says 6 squares are inside the figure, so the area is 6 square units. So all we're going to be doing to find the area on this worksheet is just counting the squares. So if you feel like you've got this, pause the video, do the work, come back and check your math. So here we go. Number 1, the area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have an area of 8 for number 1, and the only thing I want you guys to be really careful of is making sure that you're putting it in the right number, because the numbers go 1 and then 2 to the side and then 3 over. So when I get to number 2, I'm going to want to go sideways to put my answer down. All right, number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that was a little messed up, but 10 is my area, and I'm going over because number 2 is where I'm at. All right, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going inside the black lines. The area inside the black lines is what we're going with. So again, 10. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just counting the squares inside the black lines. Number 4 is 8. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And again, just making sure you're putting the answers in the right place. All right. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 9. Last one. This one's a big one. Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right. Hopefully that answers any of your questions. I'm not sure if I wrote number 5 down correctly. I'm going to go back and check it really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did it. Okay, good. I thought maybe it was 15 and I had accidentally written 16. So all of these answers are correct. Check your math and post any questions you might have in Google Classroom. Talk to you later.